Struggling to create awesome content without spending a fortune? Let's fix that. Welcome to Passionate About Tech. I'm thrilled to share the top 5 free AI tools for content creation in 2025. These tools will help you write, design, and produce videos like a pro. So, let's dive in and boost your creativity today. First up, ChatGPT, a must-have for writing and brainstorming. Go to chat.openai.com and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, type a prompt like, "Write a catchy intro for a tech blog." ChatGPT will generate a polished response in seconds. You can also ask it to tweak the tone, say, make it fun and casual, or upload an image to describe, like a product photo for a review. It's great for emails, scripts, or even code, but the free plan has usage limits. This tool is your creative writing sidekick. If you're loving this, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for Passionate About Tech. I'm aiming for 1,000 subscribers, and your support means the world. Let's keep exploring. Tool 2. Canva AI. Canva AI, your go-to for stunning graphics and videos. Visit canva.com and create a free account. Click Create a Design and choose YouTube Thumbnail. Type Tech Tutorial Thumbnail in the search bar and Canva AI will suggest AI-generated templates. Customize by dragging images or adding text, then download for free. Features like Magic Resize let you adapt designs for Instagram or Twitter with one click. It's perfect for beginners looking to design fast. Third, Murf AI for professional voiceovers without a mic. Head to murf.ai and sign up for free. Click Create a new project, paste a script like "Welcome to my tech channel," and select a voice, maybe a friendly female voice. Hit Generate to create a natural-sounding voiceover. Then download it. The free plan has a time limit, so keep scripts short. It's ideal for YouTubers or podcasters needing quick, high-quality audio. Tool 4. Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI, a research tool that answers your questions with web data. Go to perplexity.ai sign up needed for the free version. Type a query like, "What are the latest content creation trends?" Perplexity AI will provide a detailed answer with clickable source links. You can upload documents or images for analysis, making it great for blog research. The free plan covers core features, but advanced options may require a paid account. Tool 5. Synthesia. Finally, Synthesia for creating videos with AI avatars. Visit synthesia.io and sign up for free. Start a new project. Type a script like, "Hi, I'm your tech guide," and choose an avatar. Customize the background and hit Generate to create a video with your avatar speaking. The free plan adds a watermark, but it's a fantastic way to test video ideas without a camera. Perfect for tutorials or social media. There you go, 5 free AI tools to transform your content creation in 2025. We've covered ChatGPT for writing, Canva AI for design, Murf AI for voiceovers, Perplexity AI for research, and Synthesia for videos. These tools are beginner-friendly, timeless, and ready to help you shine. Try them out and watch your content soar. If you found this helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech. Drop a comment. Which tool will you try first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more tech tips.